Okay, I was able to get this crankcase cover removed, and on the inside of it you can definitely see some signs of rust, which obviously it's not the aluminum that's rusting, but maybe some of these wheels. I don't know exactly yet, but anyways, yeah, so kind of get in there to have a closer look now. Now, for this having come off a pressure washer, I'm not surprised that there's been some water ingress into this enclosure. It's actually decently well machined. Oh, I'm being stupid. That is your gasket I'm looking at. So it looks like it might still be able to be reused. Otherwise I'd peel it off of there and we could have a look, but so there's our low oil shut off switch, and oh yeah, you can see the the crankshaft itself is actually pretty badly rusted. So anyways, it's interesting that I'm wondering if that's the timing indicator on your camshaft right here, because if it is, it's not where it should be, which is over here, because there's no other indications on the camshaft sprocket other than that one there. But I don't know if this has ever been opened before, so I'm not sure how how that could have been wrong. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna grab a rag and clean out the bottom of that.